Abby is stuck in a weird position thing, so Abby won't be able to do a video today. So, Abby does not know who will do a video today, but it's not Abby, okay?
Hi, I'm Howleen. You probably already know that. So, I guess I'll be taking over. And I don't know, is this a serious thing? Can somebody please tell me? No? Fine, whatever. Yeah, what am I meant to be doing with this thing? Okay, sorry about that, guys. So, we're pretty much just gonna, I don't know, talk to all these guys, or whatever. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. Bear with me, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, guys. So, we are gonna be talking to Frankie and, Jackson and, Holt. I don't know why Jackson and Holt are, like, you know, like, next to each other or something, but, oh well. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Hey, guys. Sorry, Howleen. Kinda busy. Yeah, right. Spectrum, cool. How are you going? What's with the pose? Thingamabob. Hello, after Spectra. What is wrong with monsters today? I'm Spectre Wandergeist. Yeah. Not creepy at all. Why is it that nobody wants to do a video with me? I never felt so lonely in my entire life. Maybe I should ask Claudine. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Psst, kid, don't walk away. Don't walk away. Help me out of this box or something. A fabulous girl like me shouldn't stay like this. Wait, don't go. Oh, whatever, freaking.
Hey, you all talking or something? Wow. So what are we all talking about? Why are you all such jerks? I'm an against teenager, so I hate them. Who the frick are you? Guessing you're the 100th musical monster for our thingamabob, whatever. But the first one for the reboot. Eck. This doll is actually pretty cool though, for a reboot. Wow. You know what? I should get together the reboots and form a cult. Again. That will show all of them to ignore Howling Wolf. Actually, no, I'm not gonna form a cult with the reboot because number one, reboot sucks. Number two, this is the only reboot doll we have because it's kind of an original or whatever, sort of. Yeah. I'll just join with the brats. Sorry, are you okay? I swear I didn't knock you down because both of our companies hate each other and everything and we try to rip each other off. I swear, it was just for a video.
Sakura will be fine. Sakura is a Sakura.
What?
Sakura hears you want to form cult against Mattel, dolls, thingamabobs. I don't know how to rhyme, so I just dime.
Just because I'm against all those guys doesn't mean I'm against Mattel and their rules. Though they will never bring me back if I did that. So thanks, but no thanks. I'm just not that big of a rebel yet. Yeah. Bye! Ow. Pretty Little Liars. Got a secret, can you keep this one you'll stay? Put a locket in your pocket, taking this one to the grave. Is that right? I don't know.
Little Howleen!
Huh? Halt?
Yeah, cool, it's me. Can you please shut up? Some of us are trying to woo a cool here.
No, you shut. Don't you dare listen to him. My singing is fabulous. Okay? Bye! Oh, my hand went into a weird position.